Taking care of your skin is crucial if you want to keep it healthy and glowing. And the best part? It doesn't have to be overwhelming. Forget those long, complicated routines. You just need something simple, effective, and easy to stick with. A few key steps, done consistently, can seriously make a difference. Here's the deal. You only need 3 things: cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen. That's it. These 3 steps are all you need for an easy yet effective routine. Each step plays an important role in keeping your skin healthy and glowing. Anything more than these basics is like extra toppings on a pizza. Nice to have, but not really necessary. The key is to choose any extras based on what your skin needs. Got a specific problem? Use something designed for that. But for everyday care, keep it simple, stay consistent, and your skin will look great. It's really that easy. So before you go crazy with the fancy serums or masks, make sure you've got those basics down first. It's like building a house. You need a solid foundation before you can add all the cool features. Alright, here's the thing. There are so many skincare products out there, it's honestly overwhelming. One brand alone can have 5 different versions of the same product, and you're stuck wondering, which one is actually right for me? It's like, how do you even decide? Of course, not all skincare products are created equal, and some just won't give you the results you're after. That's why dermatologists often recommend sticking with reputable brands. And it makes sense. These brands put in the research, use quality ingredients, and design their products to target different skin types and concerns. So, you can trust that they'll take care of your skin. Now, before you even think about buying skincare products, it's super important to know your skin type. Think of it like being an artist. You have to understand your canvas before you start painting. Your skin is that canvas, and figuring out your skin type is the first step in building a routine that actually works. Once you know what you're dealing with, you can choose products that fit your skin's needs instead of just guessing and possibly making things worse. There are 5 main skin types: normal, dry, oily, combination, and sensitive. Normal skin is well balanced, not too oily or dry, and is usually easy to care for. Oily skin produces excess sebum, leading to a shiny, greasy appearance and an increased risk of clogged pores, which can lead to acne and blackheads. Dry skin lacks moisture, leading to flakiness, tightness, and dullness. However, it often looks matte and smooth, and is less prone to breakouts compared to oily skin. Combination skin is a mix of oily and dry areas. Often with an oily T-zone, this includes the forehead, nose, and chin, and dry cheeks. Sensitive skin is prone to irritation, redness, and reactions to certain products or environmental factors. So, figuring out your skin type is a key first step in picking the right products. Here's how you do it. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser, then wait for an hour or 2 without applying any products. After that, observe how your skin feels. If it's tight or flaky, chances are you've got dry skin. If it's shiny and greasy, that's oily skin. If your T-zone, that's your forehead, nose, and chin, is oily but the rest of your face feels dry, you've got combo skin. If everything feels pretty balanced, you've got normal skin. And if you're getting irritated or red easily, you might have sensitive skin. Alright, let's now break down the basics of a good skincare routine, starting with cleansing. For most people, cleansing your face twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed, is ideal. In the morning, it helps remove sweat and oils that build up overnight. At night, it clears away dirt, makeup, and impurities from the day. If you have dry skin, cleansing just once at night might be enough. Over-cleansing can strip your skin's natural oils, so it's all about finding the right balance for your skin type. The whole point of cleansing is to wash away dirt, oil, sweat, and all the stuff your skin picks up during the day that can clog pores and lead to issues like acne or blackheads. Think about it. Throughout the day, your skin is exposed to all kinds of impurities from the environment. Cleansing helps wash them away before they cause issues. Another thing, when your skin is clean, the products you apply afterward, like serums or moisturizers, absorb more effectively and do their job better. It's like trying to paint on a clean canvas versus one covered in grime. You need a fresh surface for everything to work properly. When it comes to washing your face, you want to use lukewarm water. It's gentle enough for your skin while still doing a great job at dissolving dirt and oil. Hot water, on the other hand, can strip away your skin's natural oils, leaving it dry and irritated. Cold water isn't as effective at getting rid of dirt and oil, so lukewarm really hits that sweet spot. Before you begin, it's important to wash your hands. Otherwise, you might just end up transferring dirt to your face. Next, take your cleanser and apply a small amount to your fingertips, then work it into a lather. Gently massage it into your skin using circular motions. Once you've created a nice lather, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water to make sure all the cleanser is completely removed. After rinsing, pat your face dry with a clean, soft towel. Don't rub since that can irritate your skin. Now, make sure you use the right cleanser for your skin type. If you have normal to dry skin, choose a gentle, hydrating cleanser that gently cleanses while adding moisture. If you have normal to oily skin, go for a foaming cleanser, as it helps control excess oil without leaving your skin feeling tight or dry. Overall, using the right type of cleanser for your skin type helps maintain the skin's balance, preventing issues like dryness or excess oil production. The next step is moisturizing. This step is super important because it helps lock in moisture and keeps your skin from getting dry or flaky. Think of your skin like a security guard. Its job is to protect you from all the environmental stuff out there. But when your skin gets dry, that guard weakens, which can lead to things like redness, itching, and even infections. That's where moisturizers come in. Moisturizers trap moisture in your skin and form a barrier that prevents water from escaping. This keeps your skin hydrated, soft, and smooth. They also help balance your skin's natural oils, which makes your skin look more radiant and youthful. So yeah, moisturizers are key to keeping your skin healthy and glowing. Once you've cleansed your face and patted it dry, apply your moisturizer while your skin is still a little damp. This helps lock in all that moisture. Now, picking the right moisturizer is key, and it really depends on your skin type. If your skin leans on the dry side, go for a rich cream or lotion with hydrating ingredients like glycerin or hyaluronic acid. They will give you that deep hydration and help repair your skin's moisture barrier. For those with oily or acne-prone skin, you'll want something lighter. An oil-free, non-comedogenic moisturizer that won't clog your pores or trigger breakouts. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid or niacinamide to help control oil and reduce shine. If you have normal or combination skin, go for a hydrating gel or a light cream to keep your skin balanced. If your skin is sensitive, choose a gentle, fragrance-free moisturizer with soothing ingredients. Look for hypoallergenic options that will keep your skin hydrated without causing irritation. You also want to make sure you're moisturizing your lips and the skin around your eyes. These areas often get overlooked but need extra care. Eye cream is great for the delicate skin around your eyes, which can easily show fine lines, puffiness, and dark circles from things like aging, dryness, or lack of sleep. A good eye cream hydrates, boosts collagen, and brightens the under-eye area, helping you look refreshed and awake. Now, about your lips. Since they don't have oil glands, they dry out easily. So keeping them moisturized with a lip balm or even some Vaseline is key to keeping them soft and protected. A lip balm with SPF is even better, as it helps protect against sun damage while keeping your lips smooth. After you've cleansed and moisturized your skin, the next important step is to apply sunscreen. Sunscreen protects your skin from the sun's harmful UV rays, which can cause sunburn, wrinkles, and even skin cancer. And don't think sunscreen is just for sunny days. Even when it's cloudy, UV rays can still reach your skin, so make applying it a daily habit. Now, when picking sunscreen, choose one that says broad spectrum, which means it protects against both UVA and UVB rays. Dermatologists generally recommend using a broad spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. This level provides sufficient protection for most people when applied correctly. Remember to reapply it throughout the day, especially if you're outside or sweating. If you want to keep things simple, try using a moisturizer with SPF instead. It combines hydration and sun protection in one easy step, making your routine quicker and more efficient. Alright, your daily skincare routine should cover the basics. Cleanse, moisturize, and put on some sunscreen in the morning. Easy, right? At night, it's the same vibe. Cleanse and moisturize, but you can skip the sunscreen since, well, there's no sun to worry about. But apart from that, you need to exfoliate your skin every now and then to remove dead skin cells and unclog pores. Think of your skin like a kitchen countertop. You wipe it down daily to remove spills and crumbs, but every so often, you need to give it a thorough scrubbing to remove stubborn stains and buildup. Daily wiping keeps the surface generally clean, but occasional scrubbing ensures that every nook and cranny is free of grime, making the countertop spotless and ready for cooking. Similarly, regular exfoliation removes deeper layers of dead skin cells and impurities, making your skin smoother and brighter, and allowing other skincare products to penetrate and work more effectively. There are two main types of exfoliants, physical and chemical, each with its own way of removing dead skin cells. Physical exfoliants like scrubs or brushes work by physically removing dead skin cells through friction. They give immediate results and can be great for oily or acne-prone skin. However, they can be harsh and might cause irritation or micro-tears if used too aggressively or frequently, so it's important to be gentle. Chemical exfoliants, such as glycolic acid or salicylic acid, dissolve dead skin cells and unclog pores without the need for scrubbing. They can be found in a variety of skincare products, including cleansers, toners, serums, and peels. They offer a more gentle and uniform exfoliation, suitable for sensitive skin types and those prone to inflammation. They can also help with specific issues like acne, hyperpigmentation, or dark spots. However, they might cause dryness or make your skin more sensitive to the sun, especially when first incorporated into a skincare routine. So it's best to start slowly and use sunscreen daily. Overall, both types can benefit your skin when used correctly, depending on your skin type and concerns. However, if your skin is on the sensitive side, or if you're dealing with acne or discoloration, chemical exfoliants might be your best bet. So, how often should you exfoliate your skin? Well, it really depends on your skin type. For most people, 2 to 3 times a week works well. If you have sensitive skin, maybe stick to once a week to avoid irritation. And don't forget about your lips. Exfoliating them once or twice a week helps keep them soft and smooth. You can use a simple sugar and honey scrub or even a soft toothbrush to gently buff away dead skin. Just be sure not to overdo it, or you might end up with dryness or irritation. Alright, so you've got the basics down. Cleansing, moisturizing, sunscreen, and occasional exfoliation. That's great. With consistency and the right products for your skin type, these are usually enough to help you achieve healthy, glowing skin. However, for those with specific skin issues and want to take their skincare to the next level, incorporating serums into their routine can be a game changer. Serums are special skincare products that focus on treating specific skin problems. They're different from regular moisturizers because they have a thinner texture and contain more concentrated ingredients. This means they can penetrate deeper into your skin and target specific issues like aging, dark spots, dryness, or acne. You'll want to apply your serum right after cleansing and before moisturizing and sunscreen. This way, your serum can absorb well and work its magic without getting blocked by other, thicker products. When it comes to choosing a serum, it really depends on what your skin needs. There are tons of serums out there, each targeting different concerns. We can't go through all of them right now, but let's talk about a few of the most popular and effective ones, starting with vitamin C. This one's all about brightening. If you're dealing with dull skin, dark spots, or uneven tone, a vitamin C serum is your go-to. It's best used in the morning because it helps protect your skin from environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays. Next up, we've got retinol, which is basically the anti-aging superstar. It helps smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, boosts collagen, and speeds up cell turnover. You'll want to use this one at night because that's when your skin is in full repair mode. If you're just starting out with retinol, ease into it. Try using it once or twice a week until your skin adjusts. Niacinamide is another popular serum. It regulates oil production, reduces redness, and minimizes the appearance of pores. You can use niacinamide both morning and night, so it's great if you're dealing with acne, redness, or just want to keep your pores in check. Then there's hyaluronic acid, which is all about hydration. Does your skin feel dry or dehydrated? This serum pulls moisture into your skin, keeping it plump and smooth. It's perfect for morning or night use and helps improve skin elasticity. Another good serum is glycolic acid. It works on the surface of the skin, gently exfoliating to remove dead skin cells. This helps to smooth skin texture, brighten the complexion, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and dark spots. It's best used in the evening so your skin can soak it up overnight. Last but not least, there's salicylic acid. This serum is fantastic for acne-prone skin. It penetrates deep into your pores to break down excess oil and dead skin cells, helping to clear up breakouts and prevent clogged pores. If you're dealing with blackheads, whiteheads, or oily skin, this is your serum. It is best used in the evening. Applying it at night allows it to exfoliate and penetrate pores without interference from sunlight and minimizes potential sun sensitivity. Now, if you're new to using serums, it's recommended to introduce one serum at a time into your routine and observe how your skin responds before incorporating additional products. And when applying multiple serums to address different skin concerns, it's important to layer them properly to get the best results. Start by applying the lightest serum first, which usually has a thinner consistency. This allows it to penetrate your skin more deeply. Follow up with thicker serums, which tend to have a heavier texture. For example, if you're using a vitamin C serum for brightness and a hyaluronic acid serum for hydration, apply the vitamin C serum first, since it's typically lighter. Allow each serum to fully absorb into your skin before applying the next one. This helps prevent any potential irritation and ensures that each product can do its job effectively. Always finish with a moisturizer to lock in all the benefits, and don't forget to use sunscreen in the morning to protect your skin. Now, you might be wondering, do I really need a separate serum for every skin concern? The answer is no. Many products are designed to multitask, combining powerful ingredients to target multiple issues at once. For example, you can find a serum that brightens your skin with vitamin C while keeping it hydrated with hyaluronic acid. It's a simple way to tackle several concerns without overloading your routine. You can also use cleansers, toners, and moisturizers that include active ingredients. For instance, a cleanser with salicylic acid can help with acne, and a moisturizer with niacinamide can reduce redness and keep oil production in check. This way, you can simplify your routine without needing a separate serum for each issue. If you want healthier, better-looking skin, it's not just about the products you're using, it's also about your daily habits. Ask yourself, is your lifestyle helping or hurting your skin? First off, diet. Eating a mix of fruits, veggies, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts can do wonders for your skin. Foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries and green leafy vegetables, can help protect your skin from damage and keep it looking vibrant. Then there's hydration. Drinking enough water keeps your skin hydrated and plump. Aim for around 8 glasses a day, more if you're active or in hot weather. Regular exercise is also important for good skin as it boosts blood circulation, which helps deliver nutrients to your skin and gives you that natural glow. It also helps flush out toxins through sweat, clearing out pores and giving your skin a natural, healthy glow. Just remember to cleanse your skin afterward to remove sweat and prevent breakouts. Getting enough quality sleep is also crucial for your skin's repair and renewal. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night to help reduce dark circles and fine lines. Good sleep allows your skin to recover and renew itself, leading to a refreshed and rejuvenated appearance. Your sleep position and pillowcase matter too. Sleeping on your back can help reduce pressure on your face, which may help prevent wrinkles. Switching to a silk or satin pillowcase can also make a big difference. It creates less friction, causes less irritation, and is much gentler on your skin and hair overall. Regular cotton pillowcases can create friction between your skin and the fabric, which can lead to irritation and contribute to the development of fine lines and wrinkles over time. If you're a side or stomach sleeper, this friction can be more pronounced, potentially affecting your skin's smoothness. Good skin hygiene is also important. First, keep your hands off your face unless they're clean. Unwashed hands can transfer bacteria, dirt, and oil straight to your skin, clogging pores and causing breakouts. Make sure to swap out your towels and pillowcases regularly too, as they can collect grime that ends up on your face. Also, be cautious with hair products. Avoid those that are oily or irritating, as they can transfer to your skin and trigger breakouts. Finally, cutting back on alcohol and avoiding smoking can have a big impact. Smoking ages your skin faster, and alcohol dehydrates it, leaving you looking tired and dry. Ditching these habits will help keep your skin looking fresh and radiant. By incorporating these habits into your daily routine, you'll support your skin's overall health and enhance its appearance. All right, that's a wrap for today. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you feel more confident in building your own routine. Remember, skincare is all about consistency, so stick with it and be patient with the process. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And if you've got any questions or topics you want me to cover next, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.